Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Islah Alvia. In this occasion, I want to tell you about 7 current issues on English language teaching. So, let's get to the list. Number 1. Innovative methodology in English teaching. Learning the English language is a key to face global challenges in this modern, scientific, sophisticated, robotic, and technological world. English is taught in Sri Lanka as a second language for many years, but still, we could not achieve remarkable improvement in communication skills. Many direct and indirect factors influence our English teaching, learning, and industry functioning in a handicapped manner. The first and foremost reason is that we still cling on to the traditional way of teaching English, and we hardly use innovative technology in teaching English. Number 2. Common problems of teaching English to Thai students. As one of the most used languages globally, English has become an essential part of academic assignments almost everywhere. Thai students learn it for 12 years in primary and secondary schools, but the results are not impressive and relatively low. Based on the English Proficiency Index, Thailand takes 74th place out of 100, which shows very low competence. The research was taking into account about 2.3 million students who have passed English language test by EF education. The results show that English skills are improving among teens, despite the overall stagnation level in Asia. Indian and Vietnamese students have improved their English skills. Regarding Thailand, there was a 10 points drop comparing to 2018. Even though the economy of the country is mostly based on tourism, the English level of Thai is questionable. What factors exactly influence such bad statistics? Number 3. Improving the students' vocabulary by using Gofish game. This is explaining how to improve the students' vocabulary mastery by using Gofish game. The study belongs to classroom action research. The participants of the study are 122 junior high school students of the 7th grade. To measure the improvement of students' vocabulary mastery, the study used tests. The findings showed that the mean score 92.41 in the second cycle had met the criteria of success. It means that the use of Gofish game in teaching vocabulary can improve the students' vocabulary mastery. Number 4. Analysis of students' ability in using English for taking order procedures in restaurant. And this is to analyze students' English speaking skills in conducting taking orders procedure in restaurants. The study is conducted in order to overcome the problems encountered by the students in speaking activities in taking orders. To measure the ability of students in speaking English in taking orders, the research observed the procedures that the student didn't perform and measure the student's competence of English language. Number 5. Comparative study between Sunnis and English efficacious to improve students' vocabulary mastery. The research is aimed at finding out the distinctive between Sasak language and English language affixation, in which this is the starting point of investigating whether or not it has some similarities or many differences. The similarities will bring the easiness to the students, while the differences will bring the difficulties. The result of the study is very particularly aimed to improve students' vocabulary mastery during the classroom teaching action. Hopefully, it will bring some positive effect on students' mastery regarding to the worst condition of vocabulary mastery. The interview was conducted closely to the research participants to dig up the information on how the affixation might change the meaning of participant to dig up the particular word in Sasak language which they confuse to that of English language have. The data collected through the interview process that will transcribe and reduce based on research need for the sake of answering the research question. The research conclusion was made based on the data finding during the field interview process. The research result then applied in the classroom teaching practice and published widely on Journal of English Language Teaching. Number 6. The effect of English subtitle in Zootopia movie in speaking skill. This study investigates the effect of using English subtitle in Zootopia movie as media in speaking skill of SPN 6 Sidoarjo. English subtitle can describe as practice media to help the students when they understand the words movie. The method used quasi-experimental design. The result of this study showed that the students could improve their ability in speaking skill through English subtitle. The data got from both pre-test and post-test score were analyzed using t-test formula. The result of calculation showed that in the significance degree, the value of the test is higher than the table. According to the criteria of the test, the result showed that there is an effect of students in speaking skills using English subtitle. It can be concluded that English subtitle in Zootopia movie as media is effective and applicable approach at 9th grade. And the last is about crafting media to enhance students' English vocabulary. English has been taught starting from low level of school, elementary school up to higher schools, universities. The very basic element of English language learning is vocabulary. Vocabulary has been considered crucial and plays significant roles in the process of gaining English language skills. Scholars in Ekbari and Jahangir established that vocabulary learning is the very heart of language acquisition, since vocabulary specialists altogether consider that lexical competence is central to communicative competence, which is the ability to communicate effectively and properly. Students of elementary age are taught to recognize objects of their surroundings as their preparation to know more complex words of word will after reaching higher level of study. Okay guys, thanks for your attention and thanks for watching. uh, I'm so sorry for my weaknesses. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.